Hello, and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the 7 common stereotypes when it comes to earning money online. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and imagine living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about the 7 common stereotypes when it comes to earning money online, head over to my website, and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The 7 common stereotypes when it comes to earning money online. What do you think of when you hear the term, earning money online? Some people think it means signing up for a bogus business, paying out money for someone else's marketing research, or worse, just spamming people with your email address. Nothing could be further from the truth. Earning money online does not have to mean working for someone else, and if you are searching for online income opportunities, then you can find what you are looking for without having to resort to making up any internet scams. I learned a long time ago that you can earn more money in this generation than any other previous generation in history, primarily because we are all learning the art of online business. I say that because we are using the internet, and it is an easy thing to overlook. That is the reason that it is good to learn a little about this new generation of online earning power. In other words, we all know that earning money online is a great way to make extra money. But we are also aware that there are some common misconceptions about the process. Here are 7 common stereotypes when it comes to earning money online. No one will actually pay you for doing this. You do not have to pay anyone to help you learn to earn money online, but what most people think is that it has to be paid to be a part of this process. You do not have to pay anyone to learn how to get traffic, you do not have to pay anyone to sell products, and you do not have to pay anyone to help you get to where you want to go. That is the whole point of the internet. People can work from anywhere they have access to the internet. That is why there are no set salaries for the professionals, they are all professionals because they have access to the internet and the knowledge to do their jobs. Many people think that it is okay to be making money online with no business plan, and the same thing applies. You do not have to go into business for yourself. You do not have to understand how the process works in order to learn to earn money online. What you need to understand is that there are business models available to you that were not available to you when you first learned to make money with the internet. This is the beauty of the internet. With the growth of the internet, it has allowed new business models to become available. Another one of the common stereotypes is that if you are not building your own business you cannot achieve success. You can easily build your own business with a few products and a website. The point here is to start small and increase your business as your marketing skills are developed. Building your own business is easy, and you will never lose money. What you have to realize is that the internet allows you to be your own boss. You do not have to answer to anyone. The whole point is to be able to do what you want when you want. You can create a business that is very similar to anything you can think of. You can make an online store, a blog, a newsletter, a membership site, or a real estate company. The internet is a very flexible place. With any type of business you can build, you can make money while sitting in your home. When you think about it, you will see that the key to success on the internet is to focus on one business and one product at a time. When you choose to earn money online, you have to take action. You have to understand that you can be a success with a simple website, and you can also be successful with multiple products and services by focusing on a single business. How to make money online for beginners. The online business industry has opened up a new world of opportunities for anyone who is willing to learn the ropes. The best part is that you can learn all you need to know on your own without taking on any risks. Online courses are one of the most helpful tools you will have at your disposal in order to get a head start on making money online. In this video I will give you the best way to start earning on the internet without risking your time and money. Before I get into the details of this method, let me stress the importance of knowing the right niche and learning how to start with a low capital for large sums of money. If you don't, you will run the risk of losing all of your hard-earned cash in a matter of weeks and months. When it comes to learning how to make money online for beginners, you must be focused on the specific niche you are targeting on the internet. This means that you should be targeting something that is profitable and willing to pay you a lot of money for your products and services. Another point to consider is that learning how to make money online for beginners should not be considered as a full-time job. You must treat it as a way to supplement your current income and not expect to turn it into a full-time profession. If you are looking to learn how to make money online for beginners, you must know how to source multiple sources of income. This can involve affiliate marketing, selling a product from someone else, or any other form of monetization. I would encourage you to devote your time to the basics and master these basic skills before moving on to more complicated areas. You won't make as much money as you could if you move too quickly and jump into the most advanced of monetization techniques. If you want to learn how to make money online for beginners, then you need to focus on monetizing your site. Once you understand how to monetize your site, you will be ready to take on any monetization technique that will make you money. By learning how to make money online for beginners, you will also want to focus on your keywords. This is where you will find out just how valuable relevant keywords are. If you want to learn how to make money online for beginners, you must understand how to build keyword lists. These lists are a list of words and phrases that will give you targeted traffic that will buy what you have to offer. Learning how to make money online for beginners requires you to research different methods of monetization. You can take advantage of social media to gain valuable links back to your site, and this will help you generate high-quality visitors. When you want to learn how to make money online for beginners, you should avoid any method that relies on autopilot profits. The last thing you want to do is start thinking about how to make money online for beginners and end up wondering why you didn't make as much money as you had hoped. Legitimate ways to make money online. There are a lot of legitimate ways to make money online. It may not be as popular as some of the make money quick programs out there, but if you're looking for a way to help supplement your income, these opportunities should give you a great start. While these programs may not guarantee you the money you're looking for, it's certainly worth looking into in case you want to earn extra money. One of the most legitimate ways to make money online is by writing articles for other people to sell on their websites. The website owner will likely charge you for space you take up on their site. So you'll be getting paid for a service that will end up paying for itself. You could also put a link back to your website that gives readers a chance to purchase some of your products or services. Another legitimate way to make money online is by making money off of forums. Most forum users will use the same subjects or topics as you, and when they post their questions, you can answer them and get more traffic to your site. You should also make sure that any product you sell through this is a good one, so you can also profit from the items you sell. If you do not have a lot of knowledge about computers, and your skills would be more suited to the internet marketing field, then you may want to consider creating and selling your own products online. You can choose to design your own websites for small fees, or you can hire someone else to do the work for you. Either way, you'll get access to thousands of websites all over the world that you can promote and make money from. Finally, there are legitimate ways to make money online by creating your own products and providing a service. Some of the best ways to do this are to make a website that contains information about your products and services and then selling a few of them to people who visit your site. You'll also get money through the people who come across your website, and if you build up a large enough following, you can even turn your website into a full-fledged business. These are just a few of the legitimate ways to make money online. As I said before, there are many others out there. The only way to find out what works for you is to try it out and see how it works for you. Sometimes, though, the best ways to make money online are the ways that you don't know you're doing. If you're new to online marketing, it can be helpful to consult with experienced marketers who can show you the best of the legitimate ways to make money online. It's important to realize that these programs are not all the same, so don't rely on the first one you come across. While there are a few people who have made millions through the use of some of these programs, you'll never know unless you try. Another reason it's beneficial to get advice from someone who has been successful with these programs is that you'll learn what legitimate ways to make money online are. Most importantly, you'll get tips from successful marketers so you can learn how to become successful with it. You won't learn what to do, only how to do it, and getting advice from someone who has done it will let you know how to start from the beginning. The bottom line is that, when it comes to legitimate ways to make money online, anything can work. You may need to test a few things before you find the one that suits you best. When it comes to this industry, you can do anything you want, as long as you know what you're doing. So, how exactly can you find legitimate ways to make money online? You can do your research yourself, or you can turn to a mentor or coach. The two of you can brainstorm about it together until you find a system that's right for you. Whatever you decide, be sure that you keep in mind that you want to apply this marketing program to a business or a job that will bring in money, so you can have a stable source of income in your pocket. Thanks for watching my video about the 7 common stereotypes when it comes to earning money online. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.